Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a double unboxing. I don't know why I did that with my hands. Today we're going to be unboxing my July Lola beauty box, and also I will be unboxing my July Glamour Doll Eyes subscription service. I'm going to go ahead and do the Glamour Doll Eyes ones first because that's the one I'm kind of more excited for, and I'll go in a little bit about Lola as well. If you guys see little luggage on the side, I am going camping tomorrow, so I'm kind of prepping for that, and I wanted to throw in this unboxing before I leave. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and let's go ahead and get straight to this unboxing. We're going to go in first with Glamour Doll Eyes. Glamour Doll Eyes is a monthly subscription. It is a indie makeup brand, so it is a small company. I believe this one is the OTM subscription, I think, and it retails for $7 plus $4 shipping, which makes it around $11. And this is my third month, and I've been loving it so far, so I'm pretty happy. And this one has different subscriptions. I believe there's one that's strictly for lips, one's for eye glitters, eyeshadow, and a blush. And I think this is I think the one that I have is like a mixture of everything. So let's go ahead and get it opened. Let's see. Okay, so everything comes, wait, did I just show you guys my address? Everything comes in a little baggie like this. Okay, so let's see what the theme is this month. I'm so sloppy at taking things out. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, so Glamour Doll Eyes, July 2018, Do Re Mi eyeshadow. Oh, it just kind of tells me the products. Okay, so here is their business card. There is a gorgeous girl in the back, and this is the front. And going into the products, there's 3 items here. The first one I see here looks like an eyeshadow. It's called Do Re Mi. It is a full jar, and this is vegan, and it's lip safe. And it is like a really nice, like very light purple. Let's see, Do Re Mi. Yes, it is a grassy green with yellow gold to blue shift and sparkle. Okay, this is really nice. I'm sorry I'm not going to open these on the video because it's going to take me like forever to get these opened. So we're just going to keep it moving. The next shadow here is a Raindrops and Roses full jar. This one is not lip safe, and this one is not vegan. And it looks like a nice pink, like a pinky purpley shade. So this one is a rosy pink with soft blue sparkle shift. I'm going to see if I can open at least one so I can show you guys how they look. Okay, so this is the color Raindrops and Roses. It is a very soft pink. It is very pretty. I like the shade a lot. And it did take me like a hot minute to open it, so that's why I'm hesitating to open all of these. The last product that we're getting in here is a Control Freak primer, and it came nice and sealed. I believe they put this so that maybe no product could get out of it. So I'm happy we're getting an eye primer, and this is what it looks like. It is a nice like salmony color. Let's open this. Is that even a word, salmony? But let's see. Ooh, this is very, very, oh, it goes on sheer. It feels kind of like, well, it feels kind of like a regular eye primer. It kind of feels like the Lorac one. I mean, I don't mind. I like eye primers. And this one says, yeah, just a primer, and it just lists the ingredients. So these are all the social medias that you guys can see Glamour Doll Eyes or reach them at if you guys would like to subscribe. It is a little bit of a hassle, but it is well worth it. I really do enjoy this subscription. I will be getting it for a few more months just to see how it goes. So far, I like everything. So now let's go ahead and get straight to my Lola beauty box. Before I get into this unboxing, I quickly want to apologize. Your girl is barefaced in this video. The only thing I have on is a little bit of lip gloss and lipstick, but that's it. No brows, no nothing. So this is as real as my face is gonna get. So getting straight to the Lola unboxing. I pre-opened everything just to go through it more faster. Lola Beauty Box does retail for $21 a month. It is similar to BoxyCharm. I know last month I was rambling about how I skipped my Lola Beauty Box month for the month of July and everything. But they did email me some spoilers. They do every month. And when I saw the spoilers, I'm like, I am ordering it. I emailed them, they were able to charge me, and I was able to snag a box. I have no self-control, I apologize. This month is, the theme is Sparkle and Shine, which is kind of like a 4th of July theme. And the first item here is a Cinema Secret Super Sealer Mattifying Setting Spray. This is one of the reasons I went to go back and get this box, because as soon as I saw this, I'm like, I love Cinema Secrets, and I've tried this before and it's amazing. This one retails for, let's see, this one retails for $14. It is on the pricier side. I think the full one is like a little bit over like $20 or $30. I'm not sure. But honestly, I thought this was going to be a little bit bigger. I did see a picture of it on social media. It looked a little bit bigger, or was I wrong? But I'm happy to be getting setting spray. I enjoy setting spray all the time, and if it's in any box, it's a bonus. Next item here is one of my favorite products that as soon as I saw it, I was like, I need to have this box. It is the Wander Beauty Dual Lipstick, and this one retails for $30. This packaging looks so sleek, and when I pulled it out, ooh, that's what she said. When I pulled it out, this feels like really luxe, very expensive. It feels really nice, and it has like a lipstick on each side. I thought it was super cute. The colors are very flattering. I know they're neutrals, but the fact that it's a dual lipstick, it's a bonus for me. Like, look how pretty that is. That is super pretty, and I'm just happy that we got like a dual lipstick. And this feels heavy, like feels expensive, you know what I'm saying? So that is that. Next product that I have here, ooh, I'm about to start making a mess, is a Aesthetica Cosmetics Jet Setter Palette Contour Highlight and Blush, and this one retails for $25. So this is what it looks like. I haven't really ever tried anything from Aesthetica before, or I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it has this, it had this on it, covering it, and then this is how it looks like. Now that I'm looking inside of it, this contour looks like ridiculously light. Like, I don't know what they were thinking, that like this is probably not even gonna work for me. Like, this almost looks like a face powder. So yeah, I don't know where they were trying to go with that. Let's go ahead and swatch the highlighter. Ooh, the blush is it's a luminous blush, and the contour is non-existent. So the contour is down there, as you guys can see. There's just no pigment at all. The blush is very light. The only blinding thing would be the highlighter. But like, honestly, where is that? Where is the bronzer? Or where is the contour? It is like too light. This is for someone that is extremely fair skinned. I know I'm on the fair side, but I don't know if I could really do anything with this and just kind of bronze a little bit, but I don't know how this will work for me. I like it, but I just feel like that contour, they could have went a little deeper, you know what I'm saying? Just my personal opinion. Last two products that I have in here are the Doll 10 Illegal Eyes Mascara. I mean, you guys guessed it, another mascara this month from another beauty box. I mean, they're throwing a lot of mascaras lately. This one retails for $20. I would not pay $20 for mascara. They need to stop with that. They need to put more realistic prices. I know that they're putting on like the full price, but still I wouldn't waste $20 on a mascara. I know I'm being extra, but yeah. The next product here is a Juice Beauty The Organic Solution Green Apple Cleansing Bar. I am low-key kind of happy to be getting this. I love using cleansing bars on my face very often. Juice Beauty is a very natural and organic brand. This is renew, revitalize, and soften your skin with this cleansing bar formulated with organic sunflower oil, coconut oil, and a blend of organic botanical juices infused to brighten with bright citrus notes to leave skin refreshed and glowing. Wow. 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 That was hard to read. I don't know what happened to me there. That one retails for $12. You know, basic. What do I think about my Lola beauty box this month? I actually liked this month. I mean, I'm not hating on the mascara. I just feel like when they put the retail price really up there, it throws me off a little. But I've never heard of Doll 10 Beauty before. Maybe it is $20. Who knows? Other than that, I loved the Aesthetica highlighter. I just feel like the contour shade was a bit light. I don't know how that's going to work for a lot of other people. The lipstick was amazing. The setting spray was great as well. I think they had a really good month this month. They've had this has been a better month than others that I have received, but overall I did enjoy it. That concludes my unboxing. I did enjoy both boxes this month. I was very impressed. You know, all boxes have their flops here and there, but I think I have like a little bit of a love-hate relationship with Lola. Sometimes they have great months, sometimes they don't. I want to see what next month's gonna hold in. I know I'm always like contradicting myself, like, no, I'm skipping this box. Well, the spoilers, they got to me, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys in the next one, and that's all for today. Bye.